Charlie. What does Casey say? Do it again. What? Do it really scary. No, really scary voice. Like this. Look. Do it. What are you eating?
Nuts.
Nuts? Do you love nuts?
Yeah.
Does your daddy love nuts?
No.
Say, oh yeah. Oh. Can you say, hi everybody? Where's Campbell? She's sleeping?